Hello, my dear students. I welcome you all to my English class. Today we are going to revise personal pronouns. So let's start. So children, today we are going to do personal pronoun. Okay. I will give you few examples. The question is fill in the blanks. With personal pronouns. And number 1 is, this is Simi, T-H-I-S. This is Simi. Simi is the name of a girl. Dash is 6 years old. Now in this question, we are talking about the girl Simi. And in the next sentence, I don't want to write the name again. Instead of Simi, which personal pronoun we are going to use? Dash is 6 years old. This is Simi. We are talking about a girl Simi. Dash is 6 years old. So for a girl, which personal pronoun we use? She. S-H-E. She. Okay. I give you the next sentence. This is Kitty. K-I-T-T-Y. Now Kitty is the name of a cat here. Okay. Dash is a cat. We are talking about a cat. So which personal pronoun we are going to use for Kitty? That is the name of a cat. So children, here we are going to use it. Why? Because Kitty is a cat and we use the personal pronoun it for an animal or a thing, and here it is an animal, so we will use the word it. Very nice. Now come to the third one. Third one is, this is Rohan. Now Rohan is the name of a boy. Dash likes to sing. Who likes to sing? Rohan. Now what is the personal pronoun we are going to use for a boy? That is Rohan. So children, we are going to write here H-E, he, as we use he for a boy. When we want to mention a boy, a single boy, instead of writing the name again, we use the personal pronoun H-E, he. Now come to the fourth one. Number 4. These are children. T-H-E-S-E. These are children. C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N. Children. Dash are playing. P-L-A-Y-I-N-G. Now here we are talking about children. That is more than one child. So which pronoun we are going to use for children? Dash are playing. So the correct answer is they. T-H-E-Y, they. We use the personal pronoun they for more than one people. And here it is written children. That is more than one. So the sentence will be, these are children. They are playing. Okay, I give you one more sentence. This is Reena. Now Reena is the name of a girl dash likes to play badminton. Now which personal pronoun we will use for Reena? So as you can see children, Reena is a girl and for a girl we use the personal pronoun she, S-H-E, she. In the first sentence also we have done, for Simi we have used she. Similarly for Reena we are going to use the personal pronoun she. This is Reena. She likes to play badminton. And our number 6 sentence is Sara. Sara is the name of a girl, has a balloon. B-A-L-L-O-O-N. Balloon. Sara has a balloon dash is blue. B-L-U-E, blue. Now what are we going to write in the blank? So children, don't get confused. Okay, Sara has a balloon, it is blue. Now we have to ask a question, what is blue? Sara or balloon? Of course balloon, right? Sara is the name of a girl. And what is blue? Balloon. So we are going to use a personal pronoun for balloon, which is a thing. So we are going to write here it. It is blue. We are not using personal pronoun for Sara. We are using a personal pronoun for balloon, that is a thing. So we will use the personal pronoun it. Okay? Come on, let's go for the 7th sentence. Number 7. My aunt and uncle live in Pune. Okay. My aunt and uncle live in Pune. Dash will visit us in May. Now what can be the answer here? We are talking about my aunt and uncle. Okay. In this sentence, my aunt and uncle, it is more than one people. So what are we going to use? We will use the personal pronoun they. T-H-E-Y, they. My aunt and uncle live in Pune. They will visit us in May. They means whom? My aunt and uncle. Okay. I come to number 8. There are 2 chicks in the nest. Dash make a lot of noise. Lot of noise. Now here you can ask the question to yourself, who makes lot of noise? 2 chicks. We are talking about the 2 chicks in the nest. So what can be the answer here? So children, because there are 2 chicks, we are going to use the word they. T-H-E-Y, they. They make a lot of noise. Now I come to question number 9. This is Anil. Anil is the name of my cousin. So, which personal pronoun we will use for Anil? Tell me. The answer will be he. Why? Because Anil is a boy, and for a boy we use the personal pronoun he. Now I come to the next one, number 10. Raji, R-A-J-I, Raji is the name of a girl again. Raji was first in the race. Yes, ma'am. Okay. Raji was first in the race, dash, got a medal. So, which personal pronoun we are going to use for Raji? Raji is the name of a girl. So, the correct answer is S-H-E, she, as it is written Raji. Raji is the name of a girl, and we use she for a girl. Okay? Come to the 11th one. So, as it is written here, my sister, so that means a girl. So, again we are going to write here S-H-E, she. She is only 4 months old. Okay? Because as it is written, a duck can swim. Dash has webbed feet. Now we are talking about a duck here. So which personal pronoun we are going to use here? Here children, a duck is there. So we are going to use the word it for a duck. That is an animal. Okay. Come to number 13. A horse can neigh. That is the sound of a horse. Dash cannot bark. Who cannot bark? A horse. So we have to write a personal pronoun for horse here. What can we use here? So children, as a horse is an animal and we have to use a personal pronoun for a horse. So again we are going to use it. Right? As we have done in the previous one, a duck was there, so we used it. Again here a horse is there, so we are using it. Okay? Personal pronoun it we use for animal or things. Come to the last one, I give you number 14. My school is very big. My school is very big. Dash has many rooms. Now we are talking about my school, that is a place. What are we going to use for my school? Which personal pronoun we will use here? So we are going to use here it as it is my school. We use it for animal, things and also places. Okay, so it becomes my school is very big. It has many rooms. Okay.
So this was all for today, children. Thank you.